how to personalize Messenger notification sound. In this guide, I'll be showing you how to personalize the Messenger notification sound. It's very easy, so let's dive right in. First, open the Messenger app. Now tap on the menu icon right here. Tap on it. Now all you have to do is go to settings, tap on settings. Here scroll down and just tap on this notifications and sound. Here you'll see many options. Now you can see notification preferences and you'll see the text tone right here. Tap on text tone and you can just select the text tone from here like this. Now go back and that's it. This is how you can personalize your notification sound like this. Hope this video helped you out. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you stay updated. Thank you for watching.